In this video, we will be discussing how to do a daily cleaning on your iNAP device. Begin by removing the tubing from the top of the device, and then disconnect the gray lid of the saliva container. Discard the used dry pad into the trash and replace the gray lid on the saliva container. Moving to the tube, you're going to leave the oral interface and the tube connected. Then run some cool water through the gray end of the tube all the way through till it comes out the oral interface. Move the tube around to ensure that all areas are clean and rinse off the oral interface as well. When finished, blow through the gray end of the tube to get as much water out as possible, then hang the tube to dry for the remainder of the day. Be sure to reconnect your tubing and replace your dry pad each evening.